gonna walk out because I needed food. I opened my door and it sounded like there was a door creaking, but my door doesn't creak, and the floor don't creak. This isn't okay. Door staying open, stop that. There's nobody home. Why would it be making these sounds? I don't think there's anyone at the front door. They would have knocked, right? I don't see anything. Jeez, it's cold coming in there. Bunny, did you hear that too? I heard that. I don't know what it is either, honey. She heard it. It's bright out. There's no footsteps. But there's nobody home. The bathroom door is shut. There's nobody home. The bathroom door should not be shut. But the bathroom door is shut. Okay. We'll walk. It sounded like a creaking door again. And Bunny's ears are straight up. She heard it too. I don't know what the heck that is. I'm just gonna go over here away from the sounds.